Hello guys, it's your girl Jocelyn here, back with a quick car unboxing. We are here at this is my first Velvet Caviar purchase, so let's unbox these. It is currently raining. The case itself, I love how the box can feel it. Safe. I love it already. Wallet. I was trying getting this out, but it's finally out. Nice safe wallet. Case. Ta-da! Look at that. It looks so cool. And you just, the way it works, you can take this off. The magnet is so strong. Okay, but when you have your cards in here, put them in that way, you can just push on that to get the cards out. We have our phone charger. Ta-da! All together with the phone, case, wallet, and the charm all together. First, mirror.